The world is rapidly changing. At the forefront of this revolution is ChatGPT, a powerful language model developed by OpenAI. Imagine effortlessly generating high-quality content, automating tedious tasks, and unlocking innovative ideas, all with the help of ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an advanced computer program designed to understand and generate human-like text. Developed by OpenAI, it's built on a technology called a language model. ChatGPT is like a digital wordsmith, capable of understanding your requests and crafting responses that mimic human-like conversation and creativity. The magic of ChatGPT lies in its underlying language model. Trained on a colossal dataset, it processes information and generates text often indistinguishable from human-written content. This continuous learning process makes ChatGPT a dynamic entity that evolves and adapts, becoming more sophisticated with each interaction. OpenAI offers two versions of ChatGPT, a free version and a paid version called ChatGPT Plus. The free version provides basic functionalities, while ChatGPT Plus offers enhanced performance with GPT-4. Whether free or premium, you'll have a powerful tool to augment your productivity and creativity. GPT-4, the engine behind ChatGPT Plus, represents a significant leap forward in AI language model technology. It handles larger amounts of text and exhibits a deeper understanding of context and nuances. GPT-4 unlocks new possibilities for generating creative content and automating complex tasks. Accessing ChatGPT is simple. Navigate to chat.openai.com, sign up, and start exploring. For a seamless experience, use the mobile app available for iOS and Android. ChatGPT's user-friendly design makes it accessible to everyone. The interface is clean and intuitive, with a chat window for prompts and responses. A sidebar offers options to enhance your experience, making it easy to harness ChatGPT's power. Plugins and integrations unlock ChatGPT's true potential. These extensions allow it to interact with other apps, streamlining your workflow. From project management to language translation, plugins offer limitless possibilities. ChatGPT's memory capabilities allow for personalized and contextually aware interactions. It can recall details from previous conversations, making it an invaluable partner for long-term projects. This elevates ChatGPT from a simple chatbot to a sophisticated AI companion. Mastering ChatGPT means learning clear, specific prompts for desired output. The foundation of a perfect prompt lies in its clarity and specificity. Provide specific details about the desired outcome to get the best results. Clear prompts empower ChatGPT to understand your objectives and deliver outputs that meet your requirements. Advanced prompting techniques unlock ChatGPT's full potential. Role-based prompting and step-by-step guidance can elicit more creative and nuanced responses. Experimenting with these techniques pushes the boundaries of what's possible with AI. Providing concrete examples ensures ChatGPT understands your expectations. Examples serve as visual aids, illustrating the style, tone, and content you're aiming for. This helps ChatGPT produce outputs that align with your vision. Mastering prompting is a continuous learning process. Iterate and refine your prompts based on the results you get. Embrace the iterative nature of prompting to unlock ChatGPT's full potential. ChatGPT is revolutionizing the workplace by automating tasks and enhancing productivity. It empowers professionals to focus on strategic initiatives and unlock new levels of efficiency. From email mastery to content creation, ChatGPT is your secret weapon for achieving peak performance. Section 2. Email Mastery. Conquering your inbox with ChatGPT. For many professionals, email is a necessary evil, a time-consuming chore that can often feel overwhelming. But what if you could reclaim control of your inbox and transform email from a source of stress into a tool for efficiency? With ChatGPT you can. Imagine dictating a quick email summarizing a meeting and having ChatGPT instantly generate a polished, professional message ready to send. Or picture yourself struggling to find the right words to decline a job offer gracefully. ChatGPT can craft a tactful and polite response on your behalf. From crafting compelling subject lines that increase open rates to generating personalized email sequences for marketing campaigns, ChatGPT can handle it all. It can even help you manage your inbox by filtering out spam, prioritizing important messages, and even scheduling emails to be sent later. With ChatGPT as your email assistant, you can say goodbye to writer's block, eliminate tedious proofreading, and spend less time crafting emails and more time focusing on what truly matters in your work. Section 3. Content Creation on Autopilot. In today's digital age, content is king. Whether it's creating engaging blog posts, crafting compelling marketing copy, or generating informative articles, the demand for high-quality content is insatiable. But for many professionals, content creation can feel like a daunting task, often requiring significant time, effort, and creativity. Enter ChatGPT, your AI-powered content creation ally. Imagine providing ChatGPT with a simple brief outlining your desired topic, target audience, and key points, and watching in amazement as it generates a well-written, informative, and engaging piece of content in a matter of minutes. From blog posts and articles to social media captions and website copy, ChatGPT can handle a wide range of content formats, adapting its writing style and tone to suit your specific needs. It can even help you overcome writer's block by generating creative prompts, suggesting alternative phrasing, and providing inspiration when you need it most. With ChatGPT as your content creation partner, you can unlock new levels of productivity, publishing more content, reaching a wider audience, and ultimately, achieving your business goals faster. Section 4. Unlocking Efficiency, ChatGPT for Project Management. In today's fast-paced work environment, effective project management is essential for success. From meeting deadlines and managing budgets to collaborating with team members and tracking progress, the demands on project managers are immense. But what if you could streamline your workflow, automate tedious tasks, and gain a clearer overview of your projects, all with the help of AI? ChatGPT is transforming the world of project management, empowering teams to work smarter, not harder. Imagine using ChatGPT to create detailed project timelines, automatically generate meeting agendas, and instantly summarize lengthy project documents into concise bullet points. ChatGPT can also act as a virtual assistant, reminding you of upcoming deadlines, scheduling meetings with team members, and even sending follow-up emails to ensure tasks are completed on time. It can even help you identify potential roadblocks in your projects and suggest alternative solutions, keeping your projects on track and within budget. By integrating ChatGPT into your project management workflow, you can free up valuable time to focus on strategic planning, creative problem-solving, and fostering stronger team collaboration, leading to more successful projects and a more fulfilling work experience. Section 1. The Content Creator's Secret Weapon. In the ever-evolving landscape of content creation, staying ahead is paramount. Enter ChatGPT, a game-changer for content creators. Imagine brainstorming ideas, generating scripts, and optimizing content effortlessly. Whether you're a seasoned YouTuber or just starting, ChatGPT is your secret weapon. For YouTubers, creating high-quality videos is key, but the process can be demanding. ChatGPT streamlines this, helping generate ideas and scripts. Provide keywords and ChatGPT suggests video topics and scripts. Overcome writer's block and stay organized. Focus on creating engaging content with ChatGPT. In the vast and competitive realm of online content, visibility is key. No matter how amazing your content is, it's all for naught if your target audience can't find you. This is where SEO comes into play, making your content easily discoverable by search engines. ChatGPT can be your secret weapon for SEO optimization, helping you climb the search engine rankings. One key element of SEO is keyword research, identifying terms your audience uses. ChatGPT can generate relevant keywords based on your content's topic and audience interests. It helps integrate keywords into titles, descriptions, tags, and scripts. Strategically placing keywords signals search engines, increasing your content's visibility. ChatGPT can craft compelling descriptions that entice viewers and provide context. By optimizing for SEO, you reach a wider audience, attract more subscribers, and achieve your goals. While ChatGPT excels at script writing and SEO optimization, its capabilities extend far beyond these core areas. Think of ChatGPT as a versatile tool that can assist with various aspects of your content creation workflow, from video editing to social media promotion. Imagine struggling to come up with catchy titles and thumbnails for your videos. ChatGPT can generate a list of attention-grabbing options that are sure to entice viewers to click. Provide it with a brief description of your video's content, and ChatGPT will suggest titles that are both relevant to your topic and optimized for search engines. Once your video is edited and ready to be shared with the world, ChatGPT can help you craft engaging social media posts to promote it. Simply provide it with a link to your video and a brief overview of what it's about, and ChatGPT will generate attention-grabbing captions for platforms like Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook, complete with relevant hashtags to maximize your reach. From suggesting music tracks to enhance your videos to providing feedback on your editing style, ChatGPT can be an invaluable resource throughout your content creation journey. Embrace its versatility, experiment with different use cases, and discover how this powerful AI tool can elevate your content to new heights. As artificial intelligence rapidly transforms industries, a new wave of opportunities is emerging for those who can harness its power. ChatGPT, with its remarkable ability to generate human-quality text, presents a unique opportunity to monetize your skills and unlock new income streams. Whether you're looking to supplement your current income or embark on a full-time entrepreneurial journey, ChatGPT can be your secret weapon. Gone are the days when AI was the exclusive domain of tech giants and research labs. Today, anyone with an internet connection can access and utilize ChatGPT's capabilities, turning their creativity, knowledge, and communication skills into profitable ventures. The key lies in identifying how your unique strengths align with the ever-growing demand for AI-powered services. From freelancing platforms to content creation, and even entrepreneurial ventures, the possibilities for monetizing your ChatGPT skills are vast and constantly expanding. The beauty of this technology lies in its versatility, allowing you to tailor your services to niche markets, cater to specific client needs, and build a business that aligns with your passions. In this section, we'll explore the most promising avenues for turning your ChatGPT expertise into a sustainable income stream. Whether you're a writer, marketer, entrepreneur, or simply someone eager to explore the world of AI-powered income, there's a place for you in this exciting new frontier. Freelancing platforms are thriving marketplaces for ChatGPT expertise. Clients worldwide seek talent to leverage ChatGPT for content, automation, and workflow. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Guru offer a global stage. Highlight your ChatGPT skills in your profile. Articulate benefits like efficiency and creativity. Build a strong portfolio to attract high-paying clients. Offer premium packages and cater to niches. Differentiate yourself with unique value propositions. Build strong client relationships. In the digital age, content is king, and the demand for high-quality articles, blog posts, social media updates, and more is insatiable. This insatiable demand presents a lucrative opportunity for ChatGPT-savvy individuals to establish passive income streams through content creation. Imagine generating a steady flow of income while you sleep, all thanks to the power of AI. One popular approach is to create niche websites or blogs centered around topics you're passionate about. Use ChatGPT to generate engaging and informative content, optimizing it for SEO to attract organic traffic from search engines. Monetize your website through advertising, affiliate marketing, or by selling digital products such as ebooks or online courses. Another strategy is to leverage ChatGPT for social media content creation. Generate captivating posts, tweets, and stories that engage your audience and promote your brand or business. As your following grows, you can monetize your social media presence through sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, or by driving traffic to your website or online store. The beauty of content creation is that it offers endless possibilities for scaling your income. Once you've established a successful content strategy, you can leverage ChatGPT to automate and streamline the process, allowing you to create more content in less time, reaching a wider audience, and maximizing your earning potential. Section 4. Beyond freelancing, exploring entrepreneurial ventures. ChatGPT opens doors to innovative AI businesses. Identify problems it can solve and think outside the box. Develop AI-powered tools for specific niches like chatbots or resume builders. Launch an agency for AI-generated content or marketing materials. Embrace the unknown, experiment, and learn from failures. With ChatGPT, the possibilities for innovation are limitless. ChatGPT's trajectory. The world of AI is evolving rapidly. ChatGPT at the forefront is a dynamic force, continually learning and adapting. OpenAI is developing more advanced models, hinting at a future where AI engages in complex reasoning and emotional intelligence. Imagine AI companions providing emotional support, creative inspiration, and intellectual stimulation. The future of ChatGPT involves seamless integration with other technologies, creating an interconnected AI ecosystem. This journey into AI's future is filled with immense potential for progress and innovation. Section 2. Navigating the AI-powered future. The rise of AI presents unprecedented opportunities and complex challenges. It's crucial to embrace AI's potential while addressing ethical considerations and disruptions. AI's impact on the job market is a pressing concern. It can automate tasks, leading to job displacement. But history shows new industries and jobs emerge. Adaptation and upskilling are key. Lifelong learning and skills like critical thinking and creativity will help us thrive. Institutions must provide training and promote digital literacy. Ethical frameworks and regulations are essential. We must ensure AI benefits humanity and protects rights. The future of AI is shaped by our choices and actions. Section 1. Embrace the AI revolution. ChatGPT revolutionizes work, creativity, and productivity. Harness its power to excel in studies, streamline workflows, captivate audiences, and innovate. Embrace the AI revolution and unlock limitless possibilities.